We're solid. We're solid. We're alive.
Hey, Ranger Rick.
Yes, I do.
Where might I find where's Sniper? Ranger Rick, I'm starting to feel like Sniper don't like us anymore, man. Well, I just said that's the way I was feeling, Ranger Rick. I mean, he asked for a special donut. I got him 2 of them, and then he was not even here. But where's my dude that wanted the damn strawberry donut? He ain't here either.
You're right. Maybe he doesn't.
Camilla, first rule of Doughnuts and Questions: if you ask for a special donut, your ass has to come here and get it. If not, just take whatever the shit you can get. Right? Who does that? All right. You ready, baby? Look how she give that. Look how she give this guy a name. Are you in the military, man? You want to be in the military? I'll call him private. That's what we won't call him private. He likes guns, though. I know that. He'll shoot your ass now. Maybe you should be in the military. You go to the rifle range a lot?
Yes. Oh.
It's okay to say, yeah, I mean, I'll do the shit.
Yes, I do like both the ranges, but you know, it's usually expensive nowadays.
Oh, I don't have any idea.
It's really expensive.
I don't. I shoot basketball, man. That shit's free. Come on, infantry. What do we got? What's this one?
I haven't done that yet.
Aren't you in this course?
I'm all looking through. I'm trying to figure out which one to do.
You're in 16 week.
16?
Leanne is 12 week. You just started, right, Leanne? Yeah, she just started. You've been doing it for a little minute now. So let's look. How do we find the domain when we have a fraction? We set the bottom equal to 0, right? So let's set the bottom equal to 0. And we're going to get x equals 7, right? And now to write the domain, we're going to go negative infinity to 7, union 7 to infinity. Okay? Now this one, because it's not a fraction, we're just going to say negative infinity to infinity. That's all we got to do. Because it's not a fraction, negative infinity to infinity. Set the bottom equal to 0. 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Subtract 6, subtract 6. 5x equals negative 6. Divide by 5, divide by 5. X equals negative 6/5. Okay? Now we got to exclude that because it's a fraction. How do I exclude it? Negative infinity to negative 6/5. Union negative 6/5. To infinity. Alright, that's how you do those. Fractions, set the bottoms equal to 0, and then exclude that value. Alright? You got the idea? Let's try it again. You ready? Hey, Brooklyn. Where's Lady J?
I have no idea. I texted her. She didn't. I'm in bed.
Where's the BAC? Scar, where's the BAC?
I think she's at work.
BAC's at work?
Yeah, I think she said before, yeah, she works Friday.
But Lady Jane's just in bed, huh?
Most likely, yes. I'm not 100% sure.
All right, let's try it again now. Let's try it again now. We got 1. F of x equals 8. X plus 9. F of x equals 3x plus 6 over 2x minus 10. F of x equals 4x minus 16. All right, try those 3. Try those 3. All right, Leanna, we on you, baby. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. You want to give me your answer for number 1, or you want me to just go ahead and solve it for you?
I got 2 decimals, 2 different decimals.
Wait, for both answers or just number 1?
Number 1.
So number 1, you worked twice, got 2 different answers.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's see if one of them is right.
Negative 5.5.
All right, so you got 11 halves,
Yes.
and then what was the other one?
Negative 29.5.
So negative 39 halves?
59.
59 halves. All right. Minus x plus 4 right?
Yes.
2 plus 4 is 6 minus x. Yeah? Yeah? We good here? So far, so good? What happened?
I did it too early.
You distributed the 3 early?
Yeah, no, I subtracted the 2 and the 4 too early. I did a step ahead.
Oh, you did 2 minus 4? Yeah, so this is a negative 1 here.
No, I meant 2. I did 2 after I did the x. I did positive 4
Uh-huh.
plus 2 is 8.
Oh, you multiplied?
Yeah.
Yeah, you multiplied. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, be careful there. It's the whole mosquito elephant thing, right? It's always the small things that bite you, never the big things. All right. Now we got 18 minus 3x equals 5x minus 35, yeah?
I got 35. That was that one I got correct.
All right. So now we're going to add 3x,
And that's 2x.
8x. Once we add, these 2 signs are the same, so now we add these together. $35, $35, 53 is equal to 8x, divide by 8, divide by 8. X is equal to 53 over 8.
53 over.
All right. So you were close with that 59 over 2, but not quite there. All right.
I did 24. I got 24 instead of 18. That's how I did it.
Yeah. That would do it. All right. Yeah, see, a lot of people see the 2 in front of the parentheses, and they think you're supposed to distribute, but not if there's a sign there. If there's a sign there, that sign distributes, not the number. All right? Very common mistake. You got it written down?
I'm gonna write it down. That part.
All right. Write it down, we'll come right back to you, okay?
Okay.
Did you try this one?
I was working on it. I got to the second point of it.
Okay. Let me give you a hint.
It's 12.
12. So you're going to do 12, 12, 12. And you're going to get 3x minus 3. 4, 2x plus 5. 2 times 7. Is that what you got?
Yes.
All right, distribute, and then combine like terms. I'll be right back to you. All right, Madison, we on? Yeah. Yes, baby. Of course you cannot charge your phone. You can charge it in 1 second. Let me get through, let me get, fuck, there's no good time for me to do it. You don't have a, you need the thing. You need my little handy dandy thing I got. Scar, you done? You know what my truck looks like?
Say it one more time.
You know what my truck looks like?
What?
My truck, do you know what it looks like?
No.
Okay, go out that door, go to the end of the hallway, go down the steps, into the parking lot. It's black F-150.
Okay.
All right? Now, I got anything else on dashboard, don't take that shit.
I won't.
Okay? And then it's in the back seat,
Okay.
or it's in the front seat, I don't know which one it's at.
Alright.
It's in there somewhere though. All right. 50-50 shot, he does not come back with the right stuff. I'm just saying, 50-50 shot, he comes, oh, shit. Hey, Scar, bring my Pepsi when you come back. God, that's important stuff, y'all don't understand. Like, you drink coffee? Right, you drink coffee. You drink coffee? Not right now, but you do drink coffee. Okay, well, Pepsi's my coffee. You know how it picks you up, makes you feel good? Okay, well. You okay? What's wrong, man? You sure? You feel like you're good? You don't drink soda, do you? How you get through the day. All right. Madison, we ready? What's up, Doc? Endpoints. 2-7. Open, yes? Endpoint. -2 plus 3 is 1. -1, 3. Open, yes? Endpoint. 5, -5, -1. Open, yes? Jay, we good? Endpoint. Close, yeah? Two seven. -2 3. Open. Oh no, this is open. Two -1. Open. -8x, -2, 19, we're here, yes? Closed. My pre-calculus people, there's Madison, there's Jaya, who else? Are y'all okay with how I drew those 4 dots? Okay, now what do we know? To the right of 7 goes where? I mean, shit. To the right of 2 is 7. Yes? To the right of 2 is 7. This, bring it home, Scar. What? Scar, what the hell is that gonna
It's
do?
all of them. What? Isn't there a plug somewhere?
No, there's not, Scar.
Well, I saw 2 chargers.
Which one did you take? The one out of the ash, out of
Yeah.
the thing? Oh, God, Scar. Baby, I'll go get you what you need. Hey, but thanks for the Pepsi, dude.
Sorry.
Appreciate you. Did you leave that $800?
Yeah.
Okay, appreciate you. I'll get you what you need. He didn't know that there was a piece in the back that, I thought you knew what we were talking about. You'll know what I'm talking about, do you?
No, I looked. I thought, I had a feeling you looked, but I...
I think God, I ain't gotta walk down there.
Sorry.
You can put where you want to, baby. There's a spot right there. Spots along the wall. They all work. I have this little industrial straight plug gun. It's a plugs into the wall and you have like 6 outlets into it.
Oh,
That's what I was hoping you were gonna get. Problem is, I don't know if it's in the back seat or the front seat. I was using it yesterday, I don't remember where I left it at. But you good, man, you did a good job, appreciate you.
thank you.
-2, 2, -1. This is a V. Now, if you keep in mind, this V has been shifted to the left 3, up 4. We're here, we're drawing this V. This essentially then becomes a straight line. Does that make sense? Because we're throwing away all of this part. Now, here, we're looking at a straight line where the slope is 8, or -8. So we're going to go up 8, left 1. We're here. That's that line. Yeah? Now, what's the domain? The domain is negative infinity. We're going, right? Keep it going. Stopping here. Ah, shit, we gotta stop. Alright, that was me this morning. There was a cop behind me. I had to stop. Negative infinity to 2, union 2 to infinity. Alright, we good? Now, what's the range? -1 to 3. Yeah. Union. Jump into here. 7. Union. 19 to infinity. Bracket on 19. Good? Good? Everybody good? All right. Now, your next set of questions. College algebra, listen up. You're here as well. Give yourself a little extra practice. Let's go increasing, decreasing, constant, f of -2, f of 2, f of pi. College algebra, you're there as well. Mama, I'm back on you. Leanna, you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's do this.
I got
What'd you get?
2 answers again.
All right, before you leave today, you just gonna get 1.
Okay.
All right, that's the goal. Before you leave today, you just gonna get it down to 1 answer.
It's been years, so I don't know the difference.
You good, baby. Let me just tell you, I'm proud of you for showing up. Look around. Look around. Who's in your class? Only you. Remember, I told you you gotta do 2 things, right? 2 of the 3.
Yes.
So what does that mean everybody else better be doing?
Passing.
They better be doing the homework. And you know they ain't. It's not my first rodeo. All right? So you got down to here, yes, Mama?
Yes.
I'm gonna go ahead and say 14. I'm gonna live on the edge, okay? 3x minus 9. 8x plus 20. 14, yeah?
Correct.
3x and 8x is what?
Comments.
Okay. Are the signs the same or different?
Oh, it's the same.
They're the same, okay? So every time we do this, we have to ask ourselves this fundamental question. All right? I will tell you this, I charge a really high rate private tutor kids, and I get kids in like 6th grade, 7th grade, failing their asses off. I suck at math, Mr. Driver. No, you suck at integers. Once we teach you integers, you'll get it figured out, and you're just gonna soar at that point. But until you get signs the same, we add, signs different, we subtract, until you get that part figured out, it's just gonna be one continuous wrong answer after another.
So since they're both positive, we just add.
You got signs the same, you add, signs different, you subtract. And here's the deal. I was tutoring a kid the other day. He said he didn't understand how I could be so much better at it than he is. He's like, how is that possible? You're so much better than I am. And I'm like, okay, well, first of all, I've been doing it for 30 years. I've probably worked over 200,000 problems. What number are you on? Are you on 200,000 yet? And he was like, no, I've probably done about 30. I said, okay, when you get from 30 to 200,000, you'll be on my level. And the difference is, I know that every single time I have to ask, are the signs the same or different? For me now, it's just like breathing, right? Like I look at it, it's just breathing. This is the same we gotta add. It's not breathing for you, right? It's not there yet. But it'll get there. So I'm looking at this, asking that same question. Same or different? Different. So what do? Subtract. 20 minus 9 is 11. Take the sign of the bigger number. Take the sign of the bigger number.
Equals 14.
11x equals 3. Divide by 11, divide by 11. X equals 3 11ths.
Okay.
See here, the signs are different. Positive, negative, we gotta subtract. 3 11ths. Alright. Can you write it down?
No, I got it.
You got it? Alright, let's go 2 more just like this too. Alright, that way you can get good practice out of it.
So how would you write? Yeah, with parentheses. Yes, it's an arrow. So it's fine.
Alright, let's go 8 bracket 3 minus 2 minus x equals 6x minus 4. Let's go x minus 1 over 4 plus x plus 5 over 6 equals 3/8. Alright, let's try those two. Alright, college algebra, we're on you. Here we go. If I graph this, which way does it shift? Which way does it shift? It's going to shift left 4, down 3. Now, what's the 1/2 going to do? Anna, what's the 1/2 going to do?
Gotta make it smaller.
So that's a relative term, right? Like what do we mean by smaller? It's going to take and open it up. It's going to spread it out some. Now the problem is how much? How much? Well, it's going to do my factor of 1/2. What the hell does that mean? Let's find the y-intercept. What's the y-intercept? The y-intercept is -1. The y-intercept is -1. Plug it in, x is 0. 1/2 of 4 minus 3 is -1. Now, what's the domain? That's it, Ranger Rick. That's it, Ranger Rick. What's the range? Yes. Savannah, you scared the shit out of me right there for a second. I ain't gonna lie. I thought you said negative infinity to infinity, and I was like, damn, I know it's a good answer to go with, but it's not always right. Come on, Mom, what you got?
Where to go with that.
For the V? Yeah, so essentially what you want to do is cut this in half, count from here to the half, count over to the half. Does that make sense? So if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, come over here, 1, 2, 3. I didn't do a very good job of it, but 4, and put your dot. Does that make sense?
And some with that off when it says dot one.
No, I'm not that accurate with it. I mean, you got to be reasonably close.
I feel like I was one off.
Well, I don't know. Now I feel like I should maybe really critique it.
Where did you get the range again?
Range, read from bottom to top. Bottom, top, right? Now, let's go here, guys. Let's go increasing. Let's go decreasing. Let's go constant. Let's find the x-intercepts. And you got to go? I love you, baby. You take care, okay? You can get another donut before you leave if you want.
I'm good.
All right. Well, don't say I didn't offer it.
Oh, wait, you can get this.
You didn't get a donut?
No.
Oh, dude. Let me get you one. I'll take the best one. Wait, you asked me for the apple fritter.
I did.
Somebody better eat the damn fruit bevel. I got you 2 of them. That's just for you, Steve. All right.
Probably might just wait until I'm
You're ready, whatever. They're for you whenever you're ready.
Yeah.
Unless somebody else takes them and then your ass just missed out. Baking Donuts Plus. They are the official donut supplier of Doughnuts and Questions. They don't know they're the official supplier. They just think I'm a fat ass who comes in and gets donuts. But they're pretty good though, are they not? Best in town. I should get him from Duncan because he supports the volleyball team. Yeah. He's a really nice guy.
Would that be my Walmart or the one?
All of them.
Oh, really?
Same guy owns them all.
I don't know.
I didn't know that either until I went to his Facebook page. I was like, oh my God. He owns every one in Winter Haven and Lake Wales, in the main city. Good for him. Doing better than I am.
Yeah.
Hey, probability of a guy, what is it?
Oh, wait, you can reach us.
7/15. Very good. 14 out of 30. 7/15.
Do you want us to simplify?
Yes. I'm not going to mark it wrong if you don't. This is a hard enough test as it is without me being a jerk. But I do want you to simplify it. And I say I'm not going to mark it wrong. I might -1 for not doing it. But I won't mark the whole thing wrong. Probability of yes.
If it was an N.
12 out of 10 out of 30. 1/3. Yes. Girl and no. 2/5. Yes. Guy or yes. What did you say it was? 3/10. I agree. All right. Any questions? You good? Now let's go. Let's erase these. I'm going to challenge you a little bit right here, okay? But you showed up on a Friday, you're ready to get challenged. Probability of a guy. Yes. All right, we're there. What up, Z-Dog?
How you doing?
Blessed and highly favored, my man.
Yes, sir.
Then C then C, let's select 3 people. Let's select 3 different people. What's the probability they all said yes?
I got 2 for the X's.
What's the probability they all said yes? Very tough question right here. These 2 are tough if you don't know what that line means. This one's tough. It's 3 different people. Very important. The different is the key word there. All right? Different is definitely the key word there. All right? Y'all good?
Right.
Have you never had Bacon Donuts Plus before? It's on 17 across the street from Goodwill.
No, I just skipped steps.
Yeah. What's that?
Wait, but I don't.
No.
Wait, okay, let me see the X's.
When's the last time you were
Do
there?
it again and then see if you're wrong. Right.
Okay, wait, with the Y intercepts.
When's the last
Oh,
time?
no, but no. If we're trying to find X intercept, then we just put 0.
You don't plug in.
You know that's what was,
Just
right?
make Y.
Yeah, like this is his wife.
We got X, Y, so that's.
Oh,
They got divorced.
No, they got, I thought you passed away.
No, they got divorced.
Okay.
Oh, it was scandalous. Yeah, no, Donut Man, Donut Woman got divorced. Donut Man had to sell it to this group who fucked it all up, and then I think he went back.
Decreasing.
But this is his wife, who went 2 blocks down the road and started up another place.
Not even 2 blocks up, bro. Right at the, like,
Listen to me, not only did she go down the road and make up another one, she brought the original Donut Man with her.
Right.
That was her brother. It was her and her brother who started the whole thing.
Correct.
Scandalous. But anyway, she's better. Put some respect on her name.
But we haven't listened to it.
Alright. Come on, infantry, we're ready. Let's do this. What do you got,
This
man?
time I got 0.5.
Wait, you have to graph negative 9. You can graph.
-9 is what we want to exclude.
Yeah, but did he?
How do you write that then?
Did you make it?
How do I write it? Interval notation.
Negative 9.
Negative infinity, -9, union.
Negative 9 infinite.
Perfect. How about this one?
I get confused with that.
Yeah, that would beat your butt. Set the bottom equal to 0. 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Add 10, add 10. 2x equals 10. X is equal to 5, yes? Now, what do I do? Negative infinity to what? 5. Union 5 to infinity.
So I did get 5.
You got the negative or the positive 5?
Yeah, but then like the top part got me confused. I didn't know what to do.
You exclude it. You just ignore it.
Ignore it.
Yeah, I used to tell students, pick it up, stick it in your pocket, take it home with you,
Okay, so.
because you're not going to use it.
Alright.
All right? How about this one? What did you do?
Negative infinite. Infinite.
Yes. Negative infinity to infinity. Very good. All right. Now with that, I'm going to ask the question. You want to do 3 more like that, or do you want to progress to another level?
Progress.
You want to progress? Okay.
So just, the consensus is really just to always just set the denominator to
Yeah,
0.
it's a negative number.
Yes.
You can use that.
Are you an intermediate or are you college algebra?
Addition.
You're going. You're
It was star, yeah? Well, that's what I thought, but man, listen, I got fucking 100, 200 students. I mean, I don't know where everybody's taking. Steve, this is 1033. Your problems are over here.
Bro.
You gotta read the heading. The heading tells you what section you're in. Alright? Now you can do those too if you want, because we actually did those at the end of last class. So there is some kind of overlap there. But this is your set right here. You were graphing this equation. We've already done that part. Now you're doing increasing, decreasing constant in the x-intercepts. Alright?
Okay, that's what I did. Actually, all of these. That's what I.
Alright?
What if I need
I have no shit.
distance from this intersection and then.
All right.
And you just. Yeah, this is 6, and then you have to go 6 this way.
Wait. I don't want to find either.
If you have to. So this, the first thing x equals 2. This is the middle. And the middle of the line is 6. So you go 6 in the other direction.
All right, try those 3. All right, Mama.
I'm on the second one, but the first one.
All right, let's do the first
From
one.
the middle. The middle.
Let's do the
I
first
never
one.
been.
All right, we'll look at it.
Yes. So you go.
The rule, Leanna, the rule is not really a rule,
Yeah,
but
this
it's
is,
a rule.
yeah, this is the center of.
Anytime I get to your group,
And that's 0.
you always say you're ready to do it. Because if not, I skip your group, and I go all the way around the room, and I get you on the back end. You don't want that. That's the thing with 15 minutes. So, we always do something when I get to you, because you don't want to miss out.
Okay.
All right? So you got negative X.
Actually, they was like
Or positive eight. Either way.
Not multiple choice, Leanna. You don't get to give me multiple choice tests.
Okay.
Distributing this negative 1, yes?
Yes.
3, negative 2, plus X. I'm going to hold off on that for a little minute. All right?
I got it like that.
Size the same or different?
Different.
What do you do?
Subtract. Okay.
Now what are you going to do?
Times.
Did you get to here?
Yes.
Okay? Now, what do you do? Add or subtract?
2x. And then you subtract 8.
Okay? Ask yourself that question.
Negative 32. And you divide it with 16. And then you go down divide that by 2.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Why you divide that by 2 again? We don't have a fraction there anymore.
Okay, so I just went too far.
Yeah, you went too far. You added an extra step that shouldn't be there.
I got negative 16 first.
Good. You want to go ahead and keep working on this?
Yes.
I'll jump right there and then I'll jump right back. All right, go ahead and keep working on it. I'm going to leave that up. You keep working on this one now. What did you use as the common denominator?
24.
So now we're going to have 6x minus 1,
Yes.
4x plus 5,
Yes.
3 times 3, yes?
I don't think it really.
All right, keep working, baby. Recalculus, let's see here. Madison, we're on you. Jay, we're on you. You two, we're on you. Lindsay, right? Lindsay. Okay. All right. Increasing. When's it increasing? Never. Never. When's it decreasing? Negative infinity to negative infinity to 2. When's it constant? F of negative 2, what do you get? 19. F of 2. Never. Undefined, actually. F of pi. 7.
Oh, sorry, forget this.
Y'all good? Madison, what's wrong, baby?
No, for constant,
It's f of 2
either is it negative?
is undefined because open circle, it's not closed at either one of those two spots.
What's 2x?
Because absolutely.
So, on the decreasing, because just touching the x, axis could be 2.
Oh, yeah.
And negative 2 open circles. Oh, but not 2 open circles. I'm sorry. That's
If
why.
there were 2 open circles, you'd have to deal with that in a different way.
Okay.
What if there's 2 x's, one of them is positive, one of them is negative?
I'm saying.
How do they do 5? What is 5?
Positive 4 or negative 4, right?
3.14, yes?
Maybe, I didn't.
So anything bigger than 2
All I did was, I did y 0.
is 7.
Right.
That was
So because pi is bigger than 2, the answer is 7. I also do it like this. Pre-calculus, listen up. One of my other favorite questions to ask is, what is f of square root of 5? And that really screws with people. But what's the square root of 5? 2 point something. Isn't it? 2 squared is 4. So square root of 5 is more than 2.
Yeah.
7.
Then I counted.
Anything more than 2 is going to give you a y value of 7.
From 2 from the.
Now, if I say square root of 3, well then shit, we don't know what it is. Because now square root of 3 is in this area, and that's altogether different.
That makes sense. Okay.
Alright? We good?
And then I plugged in.
Everybody good?
For the FX, you just plug it in.
Huh?
For the like FX, you just
Yeah, you just plug it in.
Could do.
You're not on this level.
Yeah, I know.
You're on this level.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Yes.
I'll just, yeah, okay.
If you
Alright,
have
that's
to
good.
get it in a different way.
Alright. I just don't want you to think that you're responsible for this, because you're not responsible for that.
The way it is.
No,
Although the increasing, decreasing constant, and the F numbers, you are responsible for that part, so. That process is a process. Alright?
Oh, you got a 9 one? That's annoying.
Yes, you gotta find the other axis. Because it is so axis ones. So the way to do that. One way is like this, which is how many units from 2 to the middle. Yeah. No. Negative 4. So 2 to negative 4 is 6 units. And 6 units is this fraction. That's it.
Alright. Leanne, you ready? Alright.
Minus. This is it. So this
Alright, so we got 6x minus 1,
plus 6x. This is
4x plus 5
negative 6.
equals 9, yes?
Yes.
Alright? We got 6x minus 6
It's a symmetrical shape, so it's going to be
plus 4x plus 20 equals 9, yes?
Correct. So it's gonna add, right?
6x and 4x, we're going to add that, we're going to get 10x.
So it's gonna be 10x minus 6.
10x minus 6 plus 20 is equal to 9. What happens here?
you add approximate where that is, where you
No, you subtract.
Why?
Which is 2.
Because it's a positive and a
This is
negative.
2.
And it's gonna be negative 14. I mean, positive.
Wait.
Positive 14. Positive 14.
And I got negative.
Subtract 14, subtract 14.
Is negative 23. I mean, positive 23.
Sign the same or different?
Difference.
So what do you do?
Add, subtract.
Subtract.
So it's 9 minus 14.
So it's 14 minus 9, which is
Yeah, ignore the zeros.
5.
5.
Positive or negative?
This is from 2 to negative 4.
Take the sign of the bigger number.
So you just go 6 in the other direction.
Take the sign of the bigger number.
Take size of the
What are you trying to tell me?
Negative 5. Alright. Divide by 10, divide by 10.
It's 2.
And negative number minus.
Negative 1/2.
Negative 1.
Negative 1/2.
Yes.
Alright.
And then if you plug that into this equation,
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I went further than the last time, so it's better.
Alright. Let's go here. Let's go x plus 2 over 6 plus 5x plus 1 over 9 equals 7/3.
the thing I did was figure out the distance.
Alright, try that one. College algebra, we're on you. When's it increasing? College algebra, we're on you. When is it increasing? -4 to infinity.
Okay, so you plug your, okay.
When's it decreasing?
Yeah.
Infinity.
And then you subtract the degree.
Negative infinity to -4.
Wait, so it's parentheses?
It's decreasing from negative infinity to -4. This is all decreasing.
Yeah, but I was saying, why does it use brackets since it's a...
It's an inflection point, so I generally put the parentheses. If you put brackets, I won't mark it wrong. Okay?
And you won't write it wrong if I put parentheses when it's direct to this one?
As long as we're not talking about domain and range, no.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Okay. All right, when's it constant?
Oh, none.
It's constant?
Oh, I did.
Never. All right. Constant never.
Yeah.
Increasing and decreasing always, parentheses on both sides.
I don't like the word always,
Well, why isn't it brackets right now?
because that point's an inflection point where it is changing from increasing to decreasing.
Yes, on
So to put it on both, you're essentially saying that it's both going up and going down, and it's a single point, which I don't really like anyway.
Okay.
Take the middle. Let me ask you a question. What's your name, baby?
Me?
Yeah,
Ella?
Ella.
Yeah.
Are you the tennis player?
Yeah, I just came from practice again.
No. Why don't you look at her little skinny ass over there? Okay. She thinks she can beat me in tennis. Who's your money on? You got $100 right now, you gotta put it on somebody. You put it on me?
That's like the fourth person to say that.
I don't understand. What team are you on your team?
That's like,
I'm just asking a question. What team are you?
well, currently I'm not even on the team, like it doesn't start yet.
What team were you last year?
Third.
I was just gonna tell me you think a third team can be playing? A third team? She ain't even the best on the team. She ain't even second best on the team. Who's your tennis coach?
Dave Saltman. Although like, that's like my trainer.
Oh shit, she got a trainer? I'm betting on her too. You got a trainer? Yeah. My money's on you. X intercept. X intercept.
I got a -10 2.
I beat your ass in ping pong though. That's real talk. Play me in ping pong.
Literally?
No, I don't know. She's good at ping pong. Like, actually, she's actually good at ping pong.
She whoops all of us.
I'll whoop your ass in ping pong.
She's like number 2 in the group.
Who's number one?
Bring me the number one. Bring me number one and I'll whip his ass too.
That's my little brother.
It's a
Yeah.
Bring it to me. I'm going home crying to his mama. Alright. Now, I can legitimately play ping pong. Like I'm really good at that
Yeah.
shit. Yeah.
I can beat you.
Huh?
I can beat you.
No way. No way. Hey, X intercept. We need to talk about that. We need to talk about X intercept. One half X plus 4 minus 3. add 3, add 3. 3 equals 1/2 x plus 4, yes?
It
Yes?
doesn't matter.
Multiply by 2. 6 equals x plus 4, yes? X plus 4 equals 6. X plus 4 equals negative 6, yes?
Yes.
Negative 10 and 2. Negative 10 and 2.
Would it be wrong to solve the right side all the way down? And then, like,
How are you doing that?
That's what I did as well.
What did you do?
Just set it equal to 0.
Are you?
Yes.
Yeah, you-
you get the positive side and then use the,
Yeah, he was.
like, the middle, or like the left point as the midpoint and then calculate, like,
Oh,
That doesn't agree.
like in your
yeah,
head, like,
that-
say,
that would
how
work.
far is it from this? From
yeah,
the
that would
midpoint?
work.
Yeah.
That's kind of cumbersome. Especially if that thing comes out to be a fraction. You know you ain't trying to count the fractions over.
Well,
Right.
I was not drawing the scale on the slide.
That's what you're gonna do, right? Just not drawing the scale.
Right.
All right, we good? Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun somewhere else. Oh, hold on, I got you. I got you. Watch this. And then this and this, yeah. All right.
I saw that in the text.
Yeah, it's weird. Exactly understand why.
It's hard to see on her.
All right, we on you. Stats people. All my lovely stats people in the world. All right. What's the line mean? Conditional probability. What'd you get for A? 6 over 10? She's not part of the cool kid club. She doesn't reduce. She just leaves her shit at 6 over 10. She just rides it out.
Would I get that wrong? Okay.
This is not a class in reducing fractions. This is a class in statistics, but you got that part right. No or girl, or give a girl. What do you got? Still not part of the cool kids club. Three-fourths, yes, ladies? Y'all are in the cool kids club. All right. Select 3 different people. What's the probability they all said yes? This one is hard. Who thinks they got it? Go ahead.
10 over 18.
5 nines?
I mean, short dresses, yeah.
I don't think it's 5 nines. I don't know what the answer is, but I don't think it's 5 nines. What'd you get?
3.7%.
How'd you do it?
I did 1/3 to the third. 2 weeks.
Not 1/3 to the third.
2 weeks.
All right. Probability somebody said yes is 10 out of 30, yes? 10 out of 30 said yes, right? Which is 1/3. I'm gonna leave it as 10 out of 30 because it makes my life easier.
Okay, perfect.
The fact that they are different people means the first person is 10 out of 30, the second person is 9 out of 29, the third person is 8 out of 28. What's that?
You got me with that one.
Yeah, no, the different is the key word there. Different is the key word. Now, from there you can reduce,
And make Julius negative there. So you're multiplying this?
you got to multiply all three of these together. I'm not sure what that fraction comes out to, but y'all can figure that shit out. All right. You got a decimal, yes?
Yeah.
Hit math, hit frac number 1, press enter. What's it say? Score 1 for the good guy.
Multiplying minuses by minuses will make the plus.
Math, frac number 1.
Yeah, like 4 on the second one I did. If
You good?
On the test, you want to do the second one after mine.
So, here's the thing about me. I don't make a key ahead of time. So I don't know what any of the answers are until I look at the problem and I just do it in my head. So when I do it,
Okay.
I do everything as a fraction because that's the only way that's the only way I can do it quickly in my head. If I convert them all to decimals, it's kind of pain in the ass. So I always have an answer that's a decimal and a fraction in my head.
No, I distributed.
I'm really looking at your work,
Because we're subtracting.
and once I see this times this times this, you're virtually guaranteed to get credit.
You did the negative sign.
I did.
Almost on anything that you put right here.
Between all of them.
Because you showed me that you know what the hell you're doing. Alright? So, if you put this times this times this, and then you make this a decimal, like, I don't know what that comes out to. It's like 0.029 or something like that. So, when I look at your decimal, if I see anything that sounds like 0.029, I'm going to give you credit. Like, somebody might put 285. I'm like, oh, that's not close enough. Does that make sense? That's that. So I don't really care once I see that you've written down these 3 pieces. If I see this, and then even if you wrote 0.029, I'm not giving you credit. Because I know that shit ain't right. Like, this part's not right. Whether this part's right, potato. Right? Because if you do 1/3 to the third, and you get 1/27, right? Because that's what 1/3 to the third is. If you take this decimal, you're going to get 0.03 something, right? So if you just wrote 0.03 and they wrote 0.029, you can make the argument, well, they're the same answers, but they're not the same answers, right? They're not the same answers. Even though they may round to the same answers, they're not the same answers. All right? Does that make sense? Can I erase, go away from the table? All right. Let's flip 6 coins. What's the probability they're all heads? let's pick two people. What's the probability they're both born in January? What's the probability they have different birthdays? All right. Me, Steve, or it seems like the morning's just flown by. Do you feel like the morning's flown by, Leanna?
It was late.
So you're right.
Like I hear it like a little after 8. Yes, beautiful. What's up?
About the, I was saying about the exercise, I forgot to ask, if we want to put one, we want the other one.
Yes.
Would it say put 12?
It would give you partial credit.
Like on the test, you tell us to put 2?
No, I won't tell you to put 2.
Oh, it's automatic.
You just have to assume that you know that there's 2.
Even though it's absolute value, it's oh,
So you get?
we would
I mean, it
know.
doesn't have to have 2. It could have 1. It could be seen on the x-axis. It could have none.
Maybe we'll make one.
I mean, right,
I only
like,
have 2 like intersections. It's like.
I mean, it could be this, where this is the x-axis and it's up here. That has none. It could be this,
2 x intersections.
where it's sitting on the x-axis. That has 1. But it could be this, where it's below the x-axis, and now you have 2. So it could be anything like that. But look, I gotta get over here, because my man over here is like patiently waiting. F of 2, what'd you get, Chief?
-1.
Like it. Like it. 2 cubed minus 2 minus 7. 8 minus 2 minus 7. -1. What'd you get here?
-31.
Like it. -3 cubed minus -3 minus 7. -27 plus 3 minus 7. -31. F of 0. What'd you get?
-7.
Perfect. Love it.
You gotta get that.
Now, were you in the class that did system of equations last time, or did you not do system of equations yet? Did you do anything that looked like this? 3x plus 2y equals 5. Y equals x plus,
But then you have to put the negative, which is.
I'll figure that out. Well, we did that.
you do anything like that? What class are you in? Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday?
Mondays and Wednesdays at 7.
7:30? Okay, you haven't done this yet. All right. So with you, are you okay with domain and what we did earlier? Okay. I'm going to leave you with that because I'm almost done anyway. All right. So I'll leave you with that. We're going to do system equations on Monday. All right. You haven't seen it yet, so we'll do that Monday. Mama, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Have you gotten down to one answer yet?
Yes.
All right. What was your one answer?
68 over 26.
68 over 26. All right, let's find out. What did you use the common denominator?
36.
36 will work. 18 is even better.
Oh, I forgot about it.
Okay, but let's go 36. I'll ride with 36. I'll ride with you on that. We'll ride till the damn wheels fall off that sucker.
Don't appreciate it.
6x plus 2. 4.
Which is negative.
5x plus 1.
That equals negative.
7 times 12. Yes?
Yes.
All right. 6x plus 12. You can get that done if you want, Mark. Okay. I appreciate you, baby. Love you. 6x plus 12. 20x plus 4. 84, yeah?
Correct.
Signs the same or different?
Same. So it's 26x.
26x.
Same.
16 equals 84, yeah?
Yes, and then you subtract 84 from 16 because it's crossing over.
Right. You gotta do 84 minus 16
I'm gonna do it one more time.
is 68, yeah?
Find that difference.
Divide by 26, divide by 26. 68 over 26. Now, what goes into both? So let's divide each of these by 2. 34 over 13. That's your final answer. That's your final answer.
So I want to break it down.
You need to break it down. If you can, break it down. Now, let me explain to you one thing.
F over G.
If we do 18, this is 3x plus 2. This is 5x plus 1. This is 7 times 6, yes? Look at the difference between the numbers that you use and the numbers that I would use. Yours is double
Give me a second. Yep.
What it is.
what it is,
Okay.
which is why you had to divide by 2 when you got done, because you didn't use the smallest one.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Correct.
Now, just using the smallest one doesn't guarantee that you don't have to break it down, because sometimes you still do.
Wait, let me.
But if you don't use the smallest one, you're for sure not going to be, you're for sure going to have to break it down. All right, does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I like it.
Work coming today?
Yeah.
You get it done?
I only like glaze.
I did bring light.
It was 4.
All right, I'm going to leave you with that, because I'm leaving in about, as soon as I get done doing these. All right? I love you, baby. You take care. All right. Pre-calc, Madison, Jaya, Camilla, and now Denzi. What's your name, man? Shit, I never forget that. Nickname. It's only a good nickname if I give it to myself. Then I can remember what it is. If you don't tell me what your nickname is, that's just like telling me your real name, which I'm not going to get. I'm glad you know that. What's your name? She's she's Charlie Angel's girl.
This is how we look, yes.
And not only is she smart, she's humble.
Sometimes.
Right? Sometimes.
To get this.
Probably like way better than like an idiot.
Oh, so you were back to.
She definitely looks like that type. 100%. 100%. She probably actually had a score like this. Associated. How is it going to be my level? Alright. Madison, you got the first and the second of both.
It's Monday.
Yep, it's Monday. And so what's Tuesday now?
That's what's Tuesday at 1:30.
Tuesday, 1:30. Alright. Negative 12 minus 6 over 8 minus negative 4. Negative 18 over 12, yes? Divide by 6, divide by 6, we're looking at negative 3 halves, yes?
Right now, for the domain, I'm sitting at x squared. X squared.
My bad, you two people.
X equals negative 1/2. That's what I'm saying right now. Wait, first.
We good. Y'all don't understand the struggle with glasses and trying to see stuff on the screen.
Right. We divide the negative
It's like
four
damn near impossible.
over to the x, from the x over to the other side.
We don't divide, just.
Which point you want to use?
Yeah, x by itself.
Yes.
We have to divide the negative 4 over.
I'm using 4, negative 6, agree off. Or negative 4, 6. Y minus 6 equals negative 3 halves. X plus 4, yes?
Oh, you know what?
Take this, move it over. 2y minus 12 equals negative 3x minus 12.
You didn't see that it was.
Well, I did. I wrote it that way. And I just,
Add 12, add 12.
it just didn't
2y equals negative 3x. Divide by 2. Negative 3 halves x. All right. Any questions? Questions, comments, concerns? Jay, you got that one? All right. Now, parallel to this, 4y equals negative 3x plus 18.
That'd be like.
Divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4.
The apex.
What does it mean to be parallel?
One point that's
That
not
one point that
even,
goes.
yeah.
Same slope. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. 4y minus 20, negative 3x minus 9. Yes? Add 20, add 20. 4y equals negative 3x plus 11. Divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. Y equals negative 3/4 x plus 11/4. Pre-calc, what did I tell you your test was? Wednesday? What happened?
I thought it said June.
Oh, well, you could. We can do June, whatever you want to do. I'll just make up the damn problem and I'll work it. But Ella says January.
I said January.
I don't think she got it wrong, so don't listen to her.
Are you really good at tennis though? I mean, you're good at ping pong?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well, it's like a whole thing.
It's like a thing.
it's a whole thing.
Like, we have like a friend group, and we all have like a Bible study, and like, we literally.
Oh, wait. Y'all are playing in the Bible study? I'll whip all y'all's asses.
Yeah, we like.
Yeah, well, I play in prison. Okay? Savannah, I'm beating the hell out of some people in some Bible studies. I promise you in that. All right? Now, y'all can beat me in some damn Bible trivia, though. I ain't gonna lie about that. Okay? You break out some Deuteronomy, and I'm out. All right. Pre-calc, y'all good? All right, I'm gonna leave y'all with that.
Really?
All right.
What do you do? So I was thinking it's like the progressive stuff that's like I was thinking get rid of the like the dining table on the porch.
Everybody got one of those, yeah.
Where you get like a really like skinny one that has like a camera
Wait, anybody who's holding the paddle upside down? Sure has to get ready to go.
I didn't think you guys had it.
They ain't playing around. Once you cancel here and here, you get 2y equals negative 3x. Divide, yeah, you gotta divide by 2. Y goes in that plus 2. Alright, college algebra 1, here we go. F plus G of 4. F plus G of 4. 3 times 4 minus 1. 4 squared minus 4 times 4 plus 2. This is 11. This is 2. Part A is 13. Madison, I'm done with pre-calculus. Okay, thank you for coming. Tuesday, SOS. I won't cancel it.
I'm not August
You can be.
I'm in Maitland.
Still win. Oh my gosh, to win? 12:15. Which is so ironic that we don't start this until 1:30. That's unbelievable.
All the way across, 2 towns.
Would you like me to get you some gas money? Because I do know somebody.
No, it's okay.
I mean, I can make a phone call and be like, look, I just need a little bit of gas money to get back over here. And I'd give you a free chicken sandwich with no pickles.
Are you saying that I need to come to SOS?
I'm saying you got a test on Wednesday. I'm saying if you got a test on Wednesday, coming on Tuesday might be a good idea. Because you might be seeing some stuff on the test that, you didn't see in class. So I'm saying.
Should I do 5 day to Kappa?
Definitely.
I should? Are you joking?
No, for sure. It's a good resume line. Like, good resume line. Don't let them work into any of these damn activities.
I should?
I would make it in the office, but now we're not.
Then I get a 4.
Yes.
Do it!
Yeah.
Oh, like what the heck are you doing?
The
So,
lines,
can you guys assume
I want to
like
say
that?
it's 2-3.
Because like, I don't know.
I want to say it's 2-3.
What else do you have to do? What time?
All right, college algebra, we're on B. F minus G. 3x minus 1. Minus
How do I even do that?
x squared minus 4x plus 2. 3x minus 1. Minus x squared plus 4x minus 2. Your final answer. Survey says negative x squared plus 7x minus 3.
It doesn't have to be necessarily that order, right? As long as we have those 3 at the bottom.
Say it
It
again?
doesn't have to be in like that order though at the bottom, right?
No, it doesn't matter.
Wait, what?
Oh, wait. Yeah, those are that. First, yeah, okay. I got it. Good. That's the answer I got. Right.
Jesus fucking Christ. All right. Part C. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 3x minus 1. X squared minus 4x plus 2. 3x cubed minus 12x squared plus 6x. Negative x squared positive 4x minus 2. 3x cubed minus 13x squared plus 10x minus 2. Y'all good?
Yes, sir.
Scar, you good? Steve, you good? Sydney, we good? What's wrong, baby? Alright. Now, F divided by G of 3. 3 times 3 minus 1. 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 2. 8 over negative 1, which is negative 8. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Alright. G divided by F. The domain. Setting the bottom equal to 0. Negative infinity to 1/3. 1/3 to infinity. Alright, you good?
Yes, sir.
Alright. 25-point bonus question to those of you who stayed late. Shit, Scar's gonna get it.
Well, you can make him like wait.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Handicap and Scar.
Yep.
Siri. Hey Siri. Set a 3-minute timer.
3 minutes,
Oh, so it's
starting
fine.
now.
Okay.
First person to get me the answer.
Okay. You think you're gonna take 3 minutes?
Scar, you cannot put pen to paper. You can do it in your head. You gotta wait till the 3 minutes is up. The good news is I'm talking while the 3 minutes is running, so you're good.
I'm slow.
G composed with f of x.
Oh, this one? Okay.
You cannot put pen to paper until the 3 minutes is up.
I'm gonna try to do it in my head.
First person to give me the answer. G composed with f of x. First person to give me the answer, I'll let you take the donut boxes home.
So I got 25 points.
Can I be
I
brutally
don't
honest?
listen.
Oh my gosh, I'm crashing hard eating this stuff.
Sorry, you can't just change 25 points.
No, I was gonna tell you that I'll buy you a Chick-fil-A meal, but Savannah gets it for free, so if she wins, she ain't getting nothing.
I wanted 25 points.
Yeah, you're not getting $25. I mean,
How about
you get
10?
yourself.
You saw my last test score, I need it.
I know you do, but it's okay. Everybody does. Hey,
I
flip 6 coins. What's the probability you get? 6 heads is 1/2 raised to the 6th power, which is 1 in 64.
I feel that.
Okay.
I got 6 out of 12. 6 out of 12.
You multiply top and bottom by 6, which is essentially 1/2. It's not 1/2.
Wait, but if I joined the club and I reduced it, I would get 1/2. Oh, but it's 1/2 times 6 to the 6th.
It's 1/2 raised to the 6. Because the first time you flip a coin, you got a 1/2 chance. The second bit is still 1/2. The third bit is still 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. It's the first person. Well, don't look at his answer. We might be wrong anyway.
It's a good possibility.
It's 50-50. Stats people, it's either is or isn't, right?
I don't even know.
All right, it's probability that both people were born in January. 31 over 365 to the second. You got this one, I'll give you 5 points. Scar, you're up.
He's got it.
How do you do that in your head?
Well, if you have 3 minutes to do it in your head, you can do it.
Yeah, no,
No, you can't. So I can't.
Oh,
I'll show you in a second. Z-Dog's snuck out. This is my job. I don't want Z-Dog to go up there and if he has it wrong, then he's going to tell you something wrong and then that's going to really screw you up. All right, go ahead and show her. Go ahead and show her. Do you feel that confident? Different birthdays. What is it? This is hard.
I did 31 over 365 times 30 over 364.
Not quite. Close.
Oh, I did 1 over 365
Yeah, it's a
times 1
composition.
over 364.
Not quite.
You don't want to know what I did.
It's G.
The correct answer.
Now you say G of
364 out of 365.
Shut up, that's what I got.
Well, you should have said it.
How did I get that one right and I got the other 2 wrong?
Yeah, that's.
Although this one doesn't require any multiplication, so why is it 364 out of 365?
Because they can only have, like, if they share a birthday, you can only share a birthday on the same day, so then that would take away 1 day of the year. Okay.
That's it.
That makes sense. That's what I.
You can only share the same birthday if both people are born on the same day.
I know what that was.
So whatever day the first person's born on, that person's got a 1 in 365 of matching that one, yes? So if they got a 1 in 365 of matching, they got a 364 out of 365 of not matching. All right? Hey, good job. Good job. Any questions on this? All right, I'm going to leave y'all with that. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to do my...
What's your learn something?
that shit ain't right.
No way.
What?
Put it down.
Wow.
With such confidence, he gave me his notebook too.
I feel like it's right.
Oh, wait, no.
You're not 57.
No, I think the negative 12 is negative 18.
I was getting ready to say, I mean, I'm not super smart. Although I do think I've convinced a few people that I can do this kind of some of this stuff. I'll bet you $5.
Oh, wait, can I write that down? Correct him?
No.
What did you get?
You didn't like the cinnamon roll?
I already had
No, I'm not good to change it.
I'm still guilty.
Where can I
Yeah.
get, like, do you have a YouTube video that works?
Yay.
Alright, you know what?
What's your YouTube called again? I forgot.
Can you write your phone
Stephen
number
Drive.
down? Because I was looking in the textbook and I went to text you and didn't have it.
Stephen.
Huh?
Oh,
What?
shit, is it good?
Wait.
Wait, you don't get to come back up. Come back and write your answer back up there. Hell with it.
Okay.
You don't get to do all that. That's how the game works. You get one chance. You get one opportunity. And you got vomit on your sweater.
It took him like 4 times as long to do it.
I don't know last
I'll
time.
write my number up. Give me a second. Is this is your answer? Where's your answer at?
Oh, no.
He just changed one number.
I don't remember, but we're.
Yeah.
All right.
And we had this little.
I ain't cash shopping nobody, nothing. I'm cash shopping myself. All right. Here we go.
Those not about it. Those not bad.
3x minus 1
57's got a spirit.
squared minus 4 times 3x minus 1 plus 2.
Wait. I'm still writing composed, but I'm.
G composed with F.
How do we know?
That makes this
Because you're plugging it in for the X.
the piece you're plugging into the X.
Oh, so every X we plug in.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I did.
But that's where I didn't really know, I forgot. So if there's like 4 X's, I plug 3x minus 1 on 4 X's, even with 4 X's. Oh.
9x squared minus 6x plus 1. Minus 12x plus 4 plus 2.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Exits, yeah.
9x squared minus 18x plus 7.
You can always double check.
Wait, so wait, I get like.
Yeah, I canceled the threes instead of
Chick-fil-A?
negative 6.
You got $10 on Cash App coming if you got the answer right.
So the parentheses square.
Yeah.
But you don't have the answer right.
No,
Well,
I wrote 12. I
that's
changed
my
it.
thing. You see, I took
Yeah, but it's still not right.
It's not right.
You didn't put the X.
this. You see those?
I love
And I
it.
canceled.
Oh, no, I erased the X.
Oh, what a tough break. Do.
Oh, it's wrong.
There's no X up there.
See, when I fixed it, I had an X.
X up there.
Oh, man. That's,
So-
The answer is 9x squared minus 18x plus 7. There is no X here. Unfortunately, that does not get you Chick-fil-A.
Dumb question, where did you get 6x from?
When you expand this out, you have to FOIL. And it's not a dumb question at all.
Yep.
It's 9x squared
Oh, because it's a square.
minus 3x minus 3x. See, a lot of people will just say 9x squared plus 1.
That's what I was thinking.
That's the rookie mistake,
Okay, me too.
right? Like that's the rookie mistake. Not that, all right? Savannah,
And then you do the same thing for the other one, the 4, too, or no?
Ah, there.
Well, it's not squared, but you do distribute it.
you distributed 4, yes. Bam, bam.
Thank you.
All right. 863-455-9889.
Wait, why do I need this?
Yeah, wait.
That's Crier.
You might not need it. Some of us do, okay, Peter?
Phone
Hope.edu.
numbers and you just irritate.
Well, I have Brooks' number, so I'll just use Brooks.
And sometimes if you just irritate one next to him, it just works.
Snapchat.
Yeah, wait, you have your own Snapchat?
Again, just text you.
How do you want that?
Or
That's not very
email
nice
it,
of
like,
This is on the previous topic we had. When it comes to like,
You got me writing up an
so
email
something
right
like
now,
this,
so I'm not
even
even
though there's nothing
read
to
this.
is that even?
Yeah.
I would give it just.
Negative 2, negative 5.
Move it to Saturday.
Sunday night, together.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Oh, I don't care.
I'll invite you.
I'm invited. I'm invited.
No, someone else invited me. I know you guys get credit or something. Maybe it's the right person.
Who do you know?
It's,
Ruby, right?
is it Abby?
I mean, do the check.
Yeah.
No, I just, she's not going.
Huh?
Technically,
No, but I just
okay,
said.
Yay.
Hey, somebody. 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 Thank you, sir.
Peter or?
It's Peter.
Right.
He's
Bye,
so
Rose.
Wait, I kind of picked that up.
What's Peter?
His name's actually Sam.
You need to know.
Our next test, I'm gonna be out of town for like a whole week. And so I'm gonna miss the test and then the first day of like the next,
The first day of the next thing is not that big of a deal.
the test.
The test is a problem. You just take it to Kelsey Day.
What's that?
It's a test.
Laughing area over there where you-
You'll love it. It's by yourself. They give you headphones and a mic noise, but she didn't know in there.
Okay, you're good.
And sometimes if you hear a person on person,
Where are you going?
they give you mints.
I'm gonna be a biblical counselor, so I'm going to like this training with like my youth pastor.
I'm taking the some.
So it's like Association of Biblical Counselors.
Do you like her?
It's a conference. So,
No, fair enough. It's a psychopath.
and then I'm really mad and I need.
you don't like it.
So
I mean, you have it every day, I'm wondering, because it doesn't.
Yeah, I guess so. I've been trying to get myself to just eat chicken and greens and heading into the gym.
I went on Wednesday and I
What was that?
every day.
Summer, what was
Today,
that?
I had a long time to
Thank you so much. That was kind of just no. CUTA. K-U-T-A. So like, give me a minute.
Yeah, I'm not trying to, yeah.